For the copy, you just literally do 3 lines. You start with an emoji on each line, and you just do one quick line of copy. The top line can be giving away $300 worth of product. Second line, all you got to do is sign up to be on the VIP list. Third line, slots filling up fast or some shit like that. You know what I mean? Then you're going to create your Facebook instant form. This is to actually collect the data, right? So in the instant form, you're going to want to go and create a nice little banner in Canva. You're going to want to put an explanation again of the stipulations for them to receive free items. Not everybody wins. No purchases necessary. Legally, you have to do this. So the information that you're asking from them, you're going to want a first name, the last name, email, phone number, and then their full address. So that way you can ship them their items, contact them if they win. You're going to want to make sure you link your privacy policy. You're going to want to make sure you check the consent box to create one for them and tell them that you will protect their information, you will never sell it to a third party, and that you only use their information to contact them on behalf of the marketing that you have for your brand. They have to and talk about text and email marketing in that. And then in order to submit the form, they have to actually check that consent box. This is legally what you need to do if you want to be able to text them. Once you do that, at the end, after they submit, have the little thank you pop up, and then give them a 25% off discount code to use on your store that you create in your discount section as a Shopify, and then have a link that goes to your website right away, so that way they can use that. All you got to do then is set it at $5 per day on each ad set. You can even do $2 a day if you want to, and watch what happens. If you end up running this campaign, please come back in the comments and tell me how it went. I'll be doing subsequent videos to tell you how to improve those campaigns. I'm killing this for all of my current clients. Their email and their SMS lists are growing hella fast, and they're generating a lot of sales from these new contacts. Let's graduate that bag, baby.